Alrighty, guys. Thanks for watching. Alright, guys. What? Alright, guys. Kiamichi Road Shortlines, guys. Alright, guys. We're going to Hugo tonight. That was a very long train, guys. They picked up Joe. They're on their way to Hugo tonight. There's 3 train names. Let me get the names, guys. But he's going home to be worked on, guys. So there's part 3 of my part 3 of my video, guys. Train 80. Okay, let me look, guys. Here they go. Okay. Alright, guys, that's Sherry and Sharon and Joe, guys. They're on their way to Hugo tonight. So they'll be back this way tomorrow night, guys. Hope y'all like this video, guys. Thank you for subscribing to Kiamichi Road Shortlines, guys. Like I said, I just want to sit 2 times. So, alright, guys, you know what to do, guys. Alright, guys, I'm gonna blow my train whistle. I'm going home, guys. I'm tired. I worked on concrete all day, and I finally get to catch them tonight. They finally get to come through. Eddie will be back sometime this weekend. I want to see how he did for his little deal, and then I'll be proud when he's back, guys. He's a good train engineer, but I'll warm up to this new guy. I'm a big fan of them tonight. So, guys, I'm a big fan of the Genesee and Wyoming Railroad, guys. So they own every railroad in the United States, guys, even overseas. So Genesee and Wyoming owns a bunch of railroads, even Kiamichi. So, guys, alright, guys, don't forget to stop, look, and listen, guys. Please yield for a railroad crossing. If you hear a train coming, please stop. If the road lights are flashing, please stop. Do not proceed through. That's telling you there's a train coming. Alrighty, guys. If you're on a back road and there's a crossing buck, please watch for trains, guys. There's blind spots, and a train could get you because you ain't yielding. So, guys, please yield for a railroad crossing. If you hear a train coming, please stop. Please do not proceed through. Do not race the bit of train. They win every time, guys. And trains do stop, but they stop about a mile. So it'd be too late for anybody that's in the vehicle or anything, guys. So be careful. Do not run in front of a freight train. Do not race beat it. Don't get drunk, guys. Please be sober when you're driving home, because you don't know if there might be road tracks where you're going. And sometimes when railroad and train don't mix, please don't fight. No fight on the tracks, guys. Please don't kick and fight on the tracks, guys. That could be dangerous too with a freight train coming. Because whoever's thought, because y'all thoughts can be, y'all two could be fighting each other, and it'd be too late for you two. So, but for anybody, guys, so please don't fight on the train tracks. Please, when you're in a vehicle, please don't park on the tracks. Even if you're doing an argument in a vehicle at night or during the day, please watch your surroundings, guys. If you see railroad tracks, please get off of them whenever you're parked on the tracks, guys. It's illegal, and that the train wins every time, guys. So guys, and don't fuss and fight inside the vehicle and throw your keys out because you don't know if you're parked on the road track or not until you hear the bells going off. So y'all be and then sometimes you don't hear no bells. That's a crossing buck, and you hear a horn and you see lights coming, guys. So please be careful when you do that stuff, guys. So y'all be safe. Don't be sorry. Keep yourself safe, and I'll keep myself safe. So please do not run in front of a freight train with me sitting here, because I just like filming, guys. I film these guys every night, guys, and I don't want to see you get hurt. I don't want you getting me hurt for your accidents, guys. So guys, so just put me, you know, if you don't think of yourselves, think of me and my family, you know. So guys, y'all be careful tonight. Please don't be drinking and driving. Please don't act dumb. Leave me comments below. Don't forget to link to subscribe to my Kiamichi Road Shortlines, guys. I'm about to go home, guys. I'm gonna blow my train whistle, which I got this time. Please be safe. Don't forget to leave me comments below. And don't forget to link and subscribe, guys. Goodbye now. Marshalling out.